If you're trying to generate leads for your digital marketing agency in 2023 and beyond, these are going to be the 3 best methods to attract leads that are actually interested in the services that you sell. Hey there, my name is Matt Wacek. I'm the CEO and founder of Landscape Marketing Pros, a digital marketing agency currently doing about $35,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And I make these videos because I really wish this information was available for me when I was trying to get started back in 2016, 2017. And the best part is that none of these involve hiring some random appointment setter agency that DMs you on Instagram or cold calling or any of that nonsense. I use these exact tactics in my agency, Landscape Marketing Pros, to go from 0 to the level that we're at now. So you definitely want to take notes and take action on this information I'm presenting to you. Now, briefly before we begin, I want to direct your attention to the first link in the description as well as in the pinned comment down beneath this video. Registration for my agency startup training using a technique called HVA is now live. So once this video is complete, go down below, click that link in the description or the pinned comment, register for that webinar, watch that broadcast end to end because you're going to get backstage access to a ton of things that I don't share here on YouTube, and it's frankly going to change your life. So again, after the video, go down below, register for that. So tactic number 1 is going to be your agency's website and leveraging it via SEO, search engine optimization, getting it to be found in the search results when a business in your niche is looking for marketing services or SEO services or advertising or web design, something along those lines. And this is extremely powerful. Why? Because it's just like when a consumer is looking to hire that business that you're working in. For example, in my industry, I just know it very well. If a homeowner wants to build a patio, they're going to go and type in patio contractor near me or landscape designer near me, landscape designer Atlanta, whatever city it is that they're located in. That's what they're going to do. Business owners are going to do the same thing. They're going to go to Google and they're going to type in deck builder marketing, for example, or garage door marketing, garage door contractor marketing, roofing contractor marketing, something along those lines. And there are so many more niches out there. And actually, I advise that you get into a niche that's a little bit more obscure with less competition because it's going to be easier for you to rank your website faster. But the quality of traffic that comes in through my agency's website, and when I ask them on our sales call, how'd you find us? And they say they did a Google search, the close rate is insane, like 75% on those particular leads because they're going in and telling Google exactly what is it they want. They're already interested in marketing services. It makes it so much easier to step up to the plate and swing at every single pitch because you know you're going to hit one of those fastballs that comes in, and it's just an easy sale to make. And here's one of the biggest advantages of having your agency's website rank is that traffic is 100% free. There are no costs per click if you're running ads or cost per conversion or anything like that. Yes, it takes time. Yes, you will have to invest a little bit into backlinking and so forth. However, the cost to get leads through there is practically $0. If you can put in the time and be patient and build your website the proper way, and then also do these other tactics we're going to get into and just kind of help build up the whole profile of your agency, that will be an amazing asset for you that will work for years to come. And the other thing I want to mention though is that the volume of leads and book calls may be less with an SEO based type of system like that. However, the quality is going to be so much higher. I would way rather have only 5 calls come in and I close 3 of those at $2,000 a month each. That's $72,000 in yearly recurring revenue coming in off only 5 sales calls. That's maybe 5 to 6 hours of work right there. To at least just do the calls. Obviously, there's the fulfillment and everything like that. But when you see some people out there talking about getting 70 calls a month, that's 70 hours that they're investing and they may only close, 8 of them? And if you're someone that's just getting started, you don't have that kind of time. You straight up don't, because there's so many things that you're going to have to do. If you have salespeople and all that sort of stuff, then that's fine. But they're also probably running ads and you have to spend money on ads and so forth. So tactic number 1, SEO. I have tons of videos here on my channel going into depth with how to do on-page SEO, and just doing on-page, especially in some of these more obscure niches, you will be able to rank your website very quickly and get those leads coming in. Tactic number 2, a YouTube channel for your digital marketing agency. So the actual channel is the name of your company. I again recommend niching down. I mean, that's a prerequisite at this point. And a YouTube channel for your agency is extremely powerful and extremely valuable for 2 main reasons. The first being, especially for a beginner, is that you have something out there that's going to be working 24/7, 365, bringing in leads, because business owners can be watching your content on Christmas Day at 3 o'clock in the morning, on a weekend, whatever it is. If you're doing cold outreach and all that sort of manual labor type stuff, there's only so much that you can do. A YouTube channel is infinitely scalable. And another reason that it's so incredibly powerful is that it puts a face to the name. Because a business owner, especially one that works offline, they own a roofing business, they own an asphalt seal coating company, they do exterior painting, siding, whatever it is. They don't spend as much time online as someone like you or I who owns an agency who is online the entire time that we're working. And so they're not all involved with these things. These concepts, these strategies and tactics and things that we're selling, for the most part, are generally very new to them. They don't understand a lot of these things. And so when they can watch a YouTube video of you explaining certain aspects of what your services are and the benefits and things like that, I mean, just check out my agency's channel on YouTube. You can kind of see some of the videos that we create. But they can put a face to the name. You're building rapport, you're building trust, they're going to like you. And if they go and book a call, they're likely going to be speaking with this guy that's on the video or someone that's on his sales team or whatever it is. And granted, if you're watching this and you're a beginner, you don't have a sales team yet, it's going to be you on camera and then you on the sales call. So the third tactic that's really, really, really powerful, and it's also extremely cheap to do for an agency to get good results with this. I mean, we're talking less than $10 a day, retargeting. And so that is basically when somebody goes somewhere, most of the time it's a website, and they leave without doing what we want them to do, which in our case with an agency is booking a call. We can put ads in front of them on a multitude of platforms. I like Facebook and Instagram. YouTube is another one as well. But for right now, I just use Facebook and Instagram. And this is a really good tactic to use because oftentimes when somebody goes to a website, they're going to get distracted by other things. Another notification is going to pop up from TikTok for them to want to go and watch some stupid video, or somebody commented on their Facebook post, or somebody sent them an email, or they got a text, and then they navigated away from your website and they didn't book a call. And so then when they go over to social media, they're going to scroll through, and then all of a sudden you're going to be right there in their news feed. The beauty of this with a digital marketing agency is that you don't have a lot of traffic. It's not like we're selling an e-commerce product where you're going to have thousands upon thousands upon thousands of website visitors, at least in the very beginning. And so your ad budget is going to be extremely, extremely cheap. You can get away with spending $5 a day, $7 a day, $10 a day on ads, and it'll actually work. And so then as they're going back to social media after they left your website or whatever they ended up doing when not booking the call, they're going to see your ad right there. So just a couple examples. I did a video a couple of months back on how to kind of do this a little bit more technical aspect in terms of what I create. But what I like to do is video testimonials that I've gotten from clients, and that's in there. And I usually have some copywriting to some degree in the actual text. But another thing that you could also do is put yourself on camera, just like I'm doing right here, just like what you're going to do with your YouTube videos, and literally just say, if you're still on the fence, what I encourage you to do is check out this result, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and it's just all results from your clients that you've gotten. If you don't have any of those yet, go and get clients for free in exchange for a video testimonial. Voila, you have results. You can then show off and run ads with that. You could also just do an ad with a photo in it. Those work really, really, really well. It's about the messaging and of course getting in front of the right people, which of course, since it's retargeting, it's going to be the perfect audience there. Other cool thing with retargeting and having that all in place is that you are actually building up a nice audience on Facebook. And then if you're going the route of Google too, with their pixels, you can have that on there as well. And then what this is going to do is allow you to have a ton of data from all your website visitors. You can create lookalike audiences if you want to run cold traffic in the future and all that sort of good stuff there. But again, I really wouldn't recommend that until you're at least $30,000-$40,000 a month in recurring revenue, because you're going to have to spend a lot to acquire clients using cold traffic. But what I encourage you to do at this point in the video is, if you are someone who actually wants to grow your agency, bypass the pitfalls, the embarrassment, the stress, the hurdles, and everything that I had to jump through to build my agency, and go down below, register for the webinar. The concepts and things we're going to cover on that broadcast are going to absolutely change your life. Be sure to go down below, smash it, subscribe, click the bell for notifications so you know when all my newest content comes live. I'm going to be sharing a lot of content on how I build my agency, how I manage it, how I'm going to scale it, and all sorts of good stuff like that. So again, be sure to be subscribed and have the bell on for notifications. Drop a like, comment your thoughts and questions down below, and we'll see you in the next video.